How to run Facebook poll or quiz. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can run Facebook poll or quiz. Now before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. So to run a poll, you will need to post a post in a Facebook group. So first things first, locate your Facebook app and then open it up. Make sure that the app is up to date to its latest version. So open up the app and then you'll need to search a group. Now, a really easy way to search a group is by going to the group section by tapping on the three lines on the top right of your Facebook page, Facebook. So locate the three lines on the top right and then press on it, and there you'll find groups. Tap on groups and head over to your groups. Here, there you will see the your groups section where you can go to any group that you want. So head over to a group, and after you finally select a group, you can then start to create a post by tapping on write something. There you will see write something. Tap on that, and after you finally tap on that, you will then need to search for the poll option. Now to search for the poll option, tap on the three dots at the bottom right, which is the more option. If you don't see the poll there, just tap on the three dots as I said, and you'll find the poll option, which is the yellow icon with bar graphs. So all you have to do is press on the poll option. After you press on it, you'll need to ask a question for the poll or the quiz. And after you do that, you will need to also add few options. So there you'll see poll options, add options. And if you want to make it a quiz, all you have to do is right under there, the settings option. You'll need to enable the setting that allows you to only answer a single question. After you've done that, tap on the post option on the top right, and then you're good to go. Now, if there is an admin in the group or a moderator, they will have to approve your post if the group is a big one, and only then will you be able to post it. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you post a poll in your Facebook group. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye.